of the ocean, and we got like a bunch of houses. We got a truck in the in the bush. We got people getting ready to go hydrofoiling. There's a truck. We're gonna go look inside of the truck because yes, it's an abandoned truck. So there's like a truck in here. So I don't know why something like this.
But if it covers up from here, you can see it better.
Yeah, that is a truck. Yeah, that was basically it. People no, they're eating. Got the people hydrofoiling over there. I'll make another video and update you guys when they start hydrofoiling. That was Miracle, by the way. Bye.